Welcome to My Natural Hair Delight. In today's video, we are making Moringa Butter. The purpose of making Moringa Butter is to boost your hair growth, add moisture and shine to your hair and scalp, and replace hair grease. First, you're going to use 1/2 cup of mango butter, 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil, and 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. You can also use a few drops of essential oil of your choice. I've decided to use grapefruit essential oil in this video. Next, I've added 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder and 1 tablespoon of moringa powder. Next, you're going to fill the pot with water less than halfway, and you're going to place the bowl inside of the pot. Melt on medium heat. You want to make sure that your heat is not too high and not too low, just right in between. Next, you're going to place your cheesecloth over your strainer and place the strainer over a bowl. Pour your ingredients inside of the strainer to strain out the moringa powder and the fenugreek powder. Next, you're going to wrap it with a plastic wrap and store it into the freezer for 1 hour. Check the temperature in between to make sure that your texture is at the exact texture that you desire. Next, you're going to mix it. So you're going to use your mixer to mix the moringa butter. This is my favorite part. Finally, you're going to place your moringa butter inside of a container. I've decided to use a small glass container until I reach the top, making it very delightful. Next, you're going to spray your hair with water and part your hair into 4 to 8 sections. Next, you're going to apply it to your scalp, 1 section at a time. And then you're going to moisturize your hair strands. I usually start at the back and work my way to the top. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at My Natural Hair Delight. For more information about the Moringa Butter, you can visit our website at www.mynaturalhairdelight.com. Thanks for watching.